Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot with your three finger gesture from the top to the bottom. So actually this is a very easy thing to perform, and the gesture itself is rather easy actually. I'm doing this from the edge, so that's why we're going to this control panel, but if we do this from here, it will work, so don't worry. And to perform this, at first we need to open these things and scroll down. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see accessibility and convenience. Tap it, and now once we are here, we need to scroll down. Tap screenshot over here, and now you will see the gestures for the screenshot. Screenshot gestures: a three finger swipe down, screenshot; three finger touch and hold, take a portion of scrolling and screenshot, and some etc. etc. It doesn't matter. Here, as I can see, to have three finger swipe down. Make sure that this option is enabled, is blue and enabled. This white circle has to be to the right, and at the same, you don't really need this three finger touch and hold, but this is a portion of scrolling and screenshot. So yeah, and now it works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.